Jocelyn Bell Burnell is a very intelligent woman. She is also modest. Susan is a very determined woman. Jocelyn is strong and also a kind person. Susan Jocelyn Bell Burnell was conceived in Belfast, Northern Ireland. She was born on July 15, 1943, and is still alive today. Her parents were Quakers who encouraged her to follow her interests and be a smart and independent woman. Around this time, men were dominant in the science world. She went to a school in Lurgan and moved to London, England. Now she lives in Oxford. Jocelyn's father read a lot, and she became interested in the study of astronomy. When she took the necessary tests, she failed, so her parents sent her to a boarding school in England. At the school, she became inspired by a physics teacher. Then she went to Cambridge University to study astrophysics. Jocelyn Bell Burnell discovered the first 4 radio pulsars. At the time, her and her advisor thought it may be a sign of aliens. These pulsars are far away and very small. They are also very dense and can orbit other objects. Pulsars were probably born in supernova explosions. They travel very fast through space, and the time between pulses is extremely regular, although they are slowing down very slightly. Susan had made her discovery in 1967. In the 1960s, Ireland's unemployment rates were high, and a lot of people were moving to the US or UK. There was only one TV station and one radio station. Both were run by the government. Most Irish people listened to traditional Irish music or show bands. At Cambridge University, Jocelyn had helped develop a radio telescope to study quasars. Her advisor was Anthony Hewish. Quasars are a distant energy source which gives off radiation. When she was looking at some charts, she found a regularly pulsing signal. She had been the first to detect a pulsar. In 1965, Jocelyn Bell earned a BS degree in physics from the University of Glasgow. That same year, she began work on her PhD at Cambridge University. While she was a graduate student at Cambridge, she discovered the pulsars. Jocelyn Bell received her PhD in radio astronomy from Cambridge University in 1968. While Jocelyn Bell Burnell studied physics in the 60s, she had a hard time. Women were not seen as an equivalent to men. Unlike most women, she went to get a further education. She was the only woman in a class of 50. Burnell was one of the first women to make a major impact in the science community. When she made her discovery, she received many awards and prizes. It started to cause a change in the way people saw women in the scientific community. Anthony Hewish, her supervisor at Cambridge, and Sir Martin Ryle received the Nobel Prize for discovering the radio pulsars. They didn't include Jocelyn in the discovery, even though she was the one who had actually made the discovery. She was awarded the Beatrice M. Tinsley Prize from the American Astronomical Society in 1987 and the Herschel Medal from the Royal Astronomical Society in 1989. Pulsars are the only neutron stars we can see outside of our binary star systems. They're rare to find in our binary systems. It is important that we are aware of pulsars because they could lead to a supernova explosion. If that were to happen near us, practically everyone would die. Also, Jocelyn Bell Burnell is a great role model for women. She helped shape the way women are now perceived, which is more closely equal to men. Without her and her discovery, we may not know everything we know today.